Here we are in Aldgate Square, having fun, exploring Dutch light for Agneta block. A really good way to look carefully at a sculpture and understand it more is by sketching it. So we are going to look at 3 of the sculptures with you and show you how Nabil sketched them. And we will start with Dutch light. A good way to start the sketch is by ordering what you see into a key or main detail, secondary details and final details. For Dutch light, Nabil decided that the wooden structure holding up the coloured panels is the key detail, so he sketches this first. Whilst sketching, Nabil looks up at the sculpture many times. This helps him understand the positioning of the wooden posts in relation to each other, and makes it easier for him to know exactly what to draw and where. He decided that the secondary details are the coloured panels, so he sketches these next. Because Nabil has drawn the whole sculpture to a small scale, it is hard for him to add further detail, so he decided to zoom in and focus on sketching part of it. Once again, he chose to sketch the wooden post first as his key detail. Secondly, he draws the grain of wood and the metal bolt, which holds the panel to the wooden post. And finally, he draws the coloured panels and colours them in using the hatching technique. See how Nabil notices and draws the gap between the panels. For Series Industrial Windows 1, Nabil decided that the grey frame, holding the windows, is the key detail and sketches this first, and focuses on only drawing one of the 2 grey frames. He decided that the secondary details are the windows and draws their outline next. Notice how he draws a second thicker line to emphasise the thickness of the window's black frames. Whilst sketching, Nabil looks up at the sculpture many times. This helps him understand the angles and proportion of the frames, and makes it easier for him to know exactly what to draw and where. Finally, Nabil shades in the windows with colour. Crocodilius Philodendrous is a large and complex sculpture to draw, so Nabil focuses on something that catches his eye: the stag. Nabil decided that the stag's head is the key detail, and so sketches the outline of this first. He decided that the stag's horns are the secondary details and draws these next. Whilst sketching, Nabil looks up at the sculpture many times. This helps him understand the intricate form of the stag's horns and makes it easier for him to know exactly what to draw and where. He decided that the eye, holes, and the wires are the final details, and so finishes the sketch by drawing these. And now it's your turn to sketch details of these 3 sculptures. Good luck!